Okay, hi folks, Terry Brown here. I want to thank you so much for taking a few moments of your time to check out this video today. I've got some exciting information I want to share with you, but I've got this incredible thought, first of all, that I want to share with you from John C. Maxwell. And John says that people who have given up are ruled by their darkest mistakes, worst failures, and deepest regrets. If you want to be successful, then be governed by your finest thoughts, your highest enthusiasm, your greatest optimism, and your most triumphant experiences. Isn't that just an incredible, uplifting, powerful thought by John C. Maxwell? Okay, so what I want to do, I want to get back into, I've been sharing this incredible business opportunity, and I want to take you in, and we're going to look at the Better Business Bureau, what they say about them. Okay, and you know, this is an incredible business opportunity. And as I said before in my other video, look, even if you're doing something else online, this is something that you should have in your arsenal. This is something that you should be sharing with other people. Why? Because people will use this website and you can get paid. And if you build a team of people using this website, guess what? You'll be getting paid over and over and over again. And so that's something to think about. There's a lot here. There's a lot going on. You can get overwhelmed, but I'm gonna break it down in the next several weeks, how powerful, how amazing this opportunity is. Okay, so I want to share this with you from the Better Business Bureau, and then we're going to get into this message from this website I want to share with you today. Okay, so this is what I wanted to share with you. And as you can see, the business profile, All Solutions Network. Now, All Solutions Network is not a member of the Better Business Bureau, so they're not accredited by them. That means nothing. What you want to look at is what their rating is by the Better Business Bureau. Okay, and as you can see here, All Solutions Network has a A+ rating with the Better Business Bureau, and look how many years they have been in business. Now, I wasn't really sure. I know they've been in business for a while. And look, and this is, here's the thing. They just continue to grow. They continue to get better. They continue to develop programs for people to make money online. So this is something to really think about. It's absolutely free to get started. Won't cost you anything. And you can utilize this website to make money, to save money, to develop, an awesome business, man, that can pay you over and over and over and over again. Yeah, it's gonna require you to share it with people, to let people know about it. But guess what, man? All you have to do is build this thing, and guess what? People will come. Okay, share it. People will come. You get the idea, right? So, customer complaints. Look at this. 20 years in business, folks, and the business has 0 complaints. Why? Because they do things well. And that's what you want if you're going to get into a business. You want, first of all, you want to see that the business has been growing and developing and just, helping people make money. And that's what's been going on here for 20 years now. And as you can see, they're from, Plumas Lake, California. Okay. And man, it doesn't get really any better than this. Okay, now so here I am back on the homepage, my homepage here. Okay, and I want to draw your attention right here. It says how to earn right now. this is one of the first places you want to go. And so, look, this is what I recommend. I recommend that you go ahead and get signed up for free. It costs you nothing to get this amazing, powerful website with all this information, with all the opportunity here. Okay, costs you nothing. All right, and then come and look here. Okay, and maybe even begin to look here. Welcome. Okay, ASN earning. All right, and at least do that for yourself. Okay, at least take a look at what's being said here. And so I'm going to go into this welcome area and let's take a look. And so we're going to look at just a portion of it today, maybe a portion of it tomorrow or the next day whenever I do the video. Okay, so let's do that right now. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to go right here to welcome ASN earning. Okay, so here we are. It's the welcome. Okay, and let me see. So let's just start here. It says, hello, Terry. That's me. Congratulations and welcome to the Solutions Network. Your ASN login information for your back office is below. Okay, we want you to know that you are now a part of a unique company that actually delivers everything it promises. Folks, oh man, when you get in here and start looking around and see, and let me caution you, don't get overwhelmed like I did when I first saw it. And then I had to sit back, take a look and say, you know what, I'm going to break everything down because this is absolutely mind-blowing. Okay, the potential here for people to build some great income and get started for free is there's nothing like it, okay, in the marketplace today. Believe me when I tell you that. I've looked around, I've seen all kinds of stuff. All right, and this is powerful. And I'm going to be sharing some other opportunities as well. They're low cost, high profit potential opportunities. This is something that everyone ought to be taking a look at. Okay, the only company that is always free to join and free to earn. No surprises, no required upgrades, no catches. Just follow the system and you earn, period, up to 100 to 500 or more in the next hour, okay, or so, of course. And you literally don't have to spend a dime. Now, what I want you to notice is this, that the potential to begin to make money relatively quickly is right here, okay, with this opportunity. Okay, so keep that in mind. Now, use and share throughout the series of 10 training emails. We detail a myriad of highly profitable income streams and effective free marketing methods that combine to give you a substantial month after month residual income. That's what we want. We want that residual income that we're going to make month after month. And this is something, think about, man, building so that month after month you can be receiving a check. And this is simple. It's easy. It's just sharing. Okay. It's just telling people about it. It's letting people take a look at what we have to offer. Okay. However, because ASN provides so much, it can become overwhelming. And that's what I said, because, even before I read this, I was like, man, there's a lot here. My brain, especially the way my brain works, it was almost too much for my brain, but I had to settle in and think about, the power of this program. And then it's like, oh, okay, I see it now. I'll break everything down. I'll look at everything. I'll go step by step. And you may have to do that too. Everybody doesn't have to do that, but I'm one of those people that I can become overwhelmed pretty quickly. And so I said, man, I'm just going to break it down. Look at this. Don't let this happen to you. Okay. Don't let it happen to you like it happened to me. Just take it step by step. And always remember, with ASN, success is always as simple as use and share. And that's the two words you want to think in your mind when you begin this program, when you begin this free business opportunity, free money-making system. You want to use and you want to share. You want to use, you want to share. Okay. Below, we show you exactly how the simplicity of using and sharing opens a whole new world of opportunity and never before seen profit streams. And it doesn't require a dime. Okay, that's the amazing thing. It doesn't require a dime. Now let me just check my time. Okay, I don't want to go too long in this video, so I'm gonna break it up, y'all. Okay, I'm gonna break this stuff up, and so that you can grab it. You know, it's time. Look here. You know, here's the thing. Now it's time to grab and it's time to run. See, it's time to really think about success. It's really time right now to really think about making money, to build something. This company gives you the opportunity to really build something for yourself, for your family, to help other people do the same thing. This is real. This is the real deal. Okay. Now, consequently, do just two things: use and share, just 20 minutes a week. Look, 20 minutes a week or less. And what about if you have 20 minutes or more per week? What if you have an hour a week? Think about it, okay? But 20 minutes a week or less, and a plethora of unique income streams automatically kick in. Don't forget, if you feel confused, just remember, use and share. Okay, so this is what I'm going to do. Let me see. I'm going to read this part right here, and then I'm going to shut this video down. And when I come back, I'm going to add the rest of it. Okay. Oh, okay. Yeah. Let me just. Okay. So skeptical. Yeah. You know, every now and then we are skeptical about things. All right. But you know, here's the thing. 20 years in business, guys. 20 years in business. No complaints. Okay. That means with an A+ rating with the Better Business Bureau. Somebody's doing something right. You got me? Somebody's doing something right. Okay. ASN is the real deal. Obviously by now, you've seen some things to make you think about that being really true. Okay, ask yourself if ASN can really can deliver on all we promise. Okay, what would that mean to you and your loved ones? Oh my goodness. And what I'm going to do with this program and some of the other low-cost programs that I'm finding out about is that I decided I'm going to build a huge organization, a huge business to help people. And I'm even putting a program together that's going to help people make some extra money too. So look, we've got some great stuff that's going to be coming down the pike. So I'm going to say this, you know, make sure that you subscribe to my channel. Okay. Hit the notification bell so that when I do put out another video, you are ready to grab hold of that video. You're ready to see it and jump in, man, and get going and stay motivated, stay energized, stay enthusiastic about what you want to do and are doing. Okay. But there you have it. I'm Terry Brown, and maybe I'll pull up this, I think I'll pull up the Better Business Bureau report as I'm closing out. Okay, so you guys, hey, have a blessed and magnificent day today. Okay, all right, bye-bye. Okay, there it is, A+ rating, no customer complaints. Y'all be blessed. Bye-bye.